Like another thing that I'm also like launching now is to use our Hex integration so that on the back of that specific run, as soon as the run completes, then the related dashboard to that pipeline, they also update right away internally, right? And on the back of that, I can send an alert through the sales channel and say, hey, look, we calculated this, sales revenue and whichever metrics we want to calculate, and we can make sure then the person in sales or in marketing, they go and they access the dashboard when they know then it's actually live and updated with the most recent data that we want to provide. So again, super easy. We just provide a project ID in from Hex within Bolt, and then that goes right. So they can receive alert. For example, it's like, hey, today's data has been updated. Right? Go and make this call so we can close more deals, type of thing. So to wrap it up, basically, it's like, okay, what are we actually powering with this pipeline? So we have these customer dashboards that we are ultimately embed analytics within our application. Product intelligence to handle like help teams and know like what's working, what is not working, where to invest time and resources for the internal teams when it's the product. It allows us what you just say to run those kind of like activation campaign directly using the relevant data. Okay. But also it allows our own internal reporting, right? So I want to be able to understand, okay, people are using the product, it's great, but how they're using it, right? What kind of AI features, what are they actually using with Dino AI? What are they actually doing with it, right? Okay, I can see that they're spending X amount of credit, but I want to know what kind of use cases they're trying to cover there. So the last couple of slides now are on, okay, what we will do different, if I have to reflect on things, is that, or what we'll suggest to look into if somebody's kind of like starting on this journey is, I think over time, I've been working there for some time now, is that batch works. Reality is that batch processing, it works in most cases or in a lot of cases, right? So use real time for when it's worth it, because most analytics don't need it. Yeah. It is just it just adds a lot of complexity, and in a lot of cases, at least, it's just not necessary. So just don't use it if you can.